Hi everyone, and welcome to the red carpet. In this video we'll be making a miniature patio set for our dolls, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So before we get into the how-to, I'm just going to ask that you please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So I am scrolling all the materials that we use to make our patio set, and like I said, I'm really excited to share it with you. We'll be using for the foundation of our chair the empty tape rolls, which is similar to a technique that I used in a different video for a different kind of chair. So I have been trying to do this for months. My first thought was to create like this little net from yarn, and I was going to use it to make the furniture, but it was a complete fail. This was like 2 months ago, and I had posted that on my Instagram. And I found this burlap ribbon at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, okay, great. This gives me the look that I wanted to create with the yarn. So my fingers are crossed, and I hope that this works. So for the foundation of the chair, I'm going to cut a paper towel roll at about 1/2 inch. And if you had like the washi tape empty rolls, you could use those as well. So I'm just going to cover it with silver tape, then trim, and then we'll take our empty tape roll and cover it with the burlap ribbon. But first I am going to remove the wire. I'm going to keep that because I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to use that for a different project later on in the future. So I'm going to carefully attach the ribbon with hot glue. Take an extra scrap piece of cardboard and trace out both of our cardboard rolls. Then we'll cut out the circles that we made. And from there we'll carefully hot glue the cardboard inside of the roll. Now we're going to use either poster board, cardstock, or any kind of paper board. We're going to trace out the smaller circle, cut it out, pop a hole in the center, and then we'll pop a hole in the center of our cardboard roll as well. And we'll use our fastener pin to attach both parts. Then we'll test, make sure it can turn. Then we will hot glue the larger roll to the smaller part. Make sure you center it. And we'll test again. And now we have our version of a swivel chair. So to create the cushion, I'm going to use this foam that I got. You could also use sponges. So I cut out 2 because I want it to be about 1 inch thick. Then we'll cover with felt. So I covered it across the top, and then I glued the felt around the perimeter. Gives it a nice clean look. So I'll glue the seat cushion to the bottom part with hot glue. Then we'll cut out a piece of cardboard, be the back of the chair, cover it again with felt, and then fit that right across the seat and hot glue it into place. pull down the back really tight. Make that back lean a little bit and add a pillow, and our chair is complete. So from here, we're going to make a small little table. And it's always easy just to use the fruit cups. So I'm going to glue 2 fruit cups together. I trimmed that 1 fruit cup for a previous project. I'm not sure what I used it for. From here, I'm going to carefully cover the fruit cups with the burlap wire. I trimmed off the edge of the wire and used it to glue around the circle. So for the top of the table, I'm just going to cut out a circle the same size as our chair. And then we're going to layer some burlap wire across the tabletop. So we have our table and our chairs. Our patio set is complete, and all the yellow was making me think of lemonade. So I found these miniature canisters at the Dollar Tree, and I think that it would make a cute little picture of lemonade. So I took the canister, used the yellow permanent marker to color all the way around. And I'm taking craft foam and punching out holes. And then we'll use our colored marker to cover the perimeter and then draw in the little segments. I also have clear beads. I'm going to drop the clear beads in the miniature canister, and then I'll drop our little mini lemon slice. And finally, while I was at the Dollar Tree, I got these calendars. The calendars are on sale for $1 since it's so late in the year. And I'm finally going to use that netting that I had made 2 months ago. And I'm just going to throw that across the chair. And another piece I used to actually create the little bottom of our plant. And I'm just going to put that right in the center to cover up the seam where the photographs for our backdrop meet up. I'm going to put our little lemonade jar on there, and I used the glue stick, cut off a little piece of a glue stick, covered it with the yellow marker, dropped it in the glass, and our scene is set. Super cute. I really like it. That was the look I was thinking. That was the vision I was trying to create 2 months ago when I was working with that yarn. So I'm excited about it. I like how it turned out. Super cool. It's always so quick and easy and convenient to use the empty tape rolls. Absolutely love them. So I want to thank you for watching. You guys are so awesome. I love your support. It means everything to me. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share. I appreciate you so much. I love your comments. And I want to give a very special welcome to the red carpet to Barbie Travels. Absolutely awesome. Has a great channel and a great Instagram. So again, thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's more fun to make it.